I'm supposed to go buy a pickup truck today. It's a Toyota Tacoma. It's a 2002. It's got 175,000 miles. The guy's asking $10,000, and I've already talked him down quite a bit. I'm going to let you know exactly how much I'm paying. But in the meantime, I'm at work. We had a long night last night. Marley's been sick. So the videos you're about to see of her playing in the water and eating ice cream, that's from like last week. It's just some videos that I had on my phone that I thought I would put into this video so that when I'm 80 years old, I can look back and watch her play around. So yeah, watch the video, you guys, and I hope you enjoy. Hit the thumbs up button so that more people will see that I'm putting videos up, and we'll go from there. All right? Marley, you want some ice cream?
Yeah. What you talking about?
All right. Well, I am headed to go test drive that truck. It's almost 5 o'clock. And so I'm not gonna, hopefully I'll be able to find some open road to get that thing up to 70 or 80 miles an hour and coast for a little bit at that rate so that I can get a feel for what's going on. All right, so now I'm in the truck. The interior is in really good condition. I'm gonna turn the camera around so you can see it. This is upside down. So yeah, everything's really clean. It smells clean. Everything's shiny. None of the wear and tear that you typically see in a lot of these vehicles. All the windows work. I'm not going to go through the process of showing you that, but I mean, it's in great shape, and it comes with a one of those cover things in the back, camper. I mean, everything works in here. It's been really good. So let's see how it starts up. And it is cold. AC's on and it works really well. I checked that the other day. Let's see how it goes. Alright, I don't know if you can hear that, but it is running like a champ. Alright, so it's been idling now for about 5 minutes or so. It's still running very smooth. It's super quiet. I got out of the truck and walked around for a little bit and it sounds incredible. I'm really excited about taking this thing on a test drive. I just want to make sure that the RPMs come down to a comfortable RPM, like a lower RPM. And also it's sitting in between cold and hot, so it's in a really good temperature right now. So the only thing I'm having an issue with is not a big deal, but the brake light gauge indicator is on, and I've released the parking brake, and I've also taken my foot and pushed a whole bunch of stuff down there. Nothing's happening, so I can't get that to turn off, but I'll figure that out another time. Alright, so I just put it in gear and I'm rolling, and it's rolling. This thing is so smooth and it feels tight. It feels good, like a good kind of tight. Oh, that feels good. I'm not gonna do that noise anymore. I'm gonna take this thing out somewhere where I can get up to about 60. I'm gonna try to get on the highway. All right, so in the meantime, I'll tell you the story about how I found this truck. I got on Craigslist, found it there. It said 10,000. I asked the guy if I could see it. He said yes. I came up just up the road. He's just conveniently located like 2 miles away. He works at a brewery, and so I came and looked at the truck. I said, man, I don't know if this thing's worth 10 grand. And after I got to shake his hand, he's a cool guy. And he said, you know, if you had that kind of money today, then we could make that deal. And so I said, well, will you honor that in a few days? He said, yeah. So and I told him $8,250. Actually, I said $8,000 is what we'll do. And he said, all right, let me talk to my wife. And so he was talking to his wife, and she was having a hard time. She's like, no, because she's the one pushing for him to sell it, but she didn't want to sell it for less than $85,000 or $9,000 really. And I said, look, $8,000, and I'll do it right now, and we can do this right now. And I said, hey, $8,250. You got to clean it, you got to fill up the gas tank, and you got to put a case of that beer in the back of that truck. And he's blah, 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 blah. All right, good deal. Sold the truck. So $8,250 from $10,000. It's a good deal. This thing runs really well. It's not making any weird noises. It's got, you know, it's very, I mean, this thing is running great. I looked at the KBB and all these other resources on what the price should be for this model, and it's pushing about $9,000 and some change. So I got a good deal on it. You know, this thing is incredible. It's in great shape. I feel like it's new. Like, I've test driven brand new Tacomas, and they feel just like this. So right now I'm happy. I just got to get this thing up to speed and maybe go up a hill. All right, so I'm gonna try to pick it up. Here comes the green light. Actually, it's a yellow flashing light. I'm gonna try to gun it. Oh yeah. Yep. That's a Toyota. 40 miles an hour. 50. 60. Oh shit. Cop. This thing runs good. It's got good pickup. All right. Well, I guess I like it. All right, so I'm in the truck. It's 6 o'clock here in Atlanta, and there's no light outside, just about. But I'm headed home, and this truck is just, I'm so stoked. The seller is a genuine person. You know those kind of people you meet where you're just like, you know what? I'd like to know you for a while. You're a cool guy. He's a hell of a guy. So if he ends up watching this video, buddy, I appreciate you, you know, walking with me through this purchase and being patient, because I'm super frugal and also very meticulous. I want to make sure I'm not expecting it to be perfect. It's a used vehicle, but I need it to be in decent shape for my family, you know, and all that good stuff right there. And this is a really good truck, and I feel like I got a good deal on it from a good person. So I'm very happy. I'm going to show a little bit more video tomorrow of what this thing looks like tomorrow. But this is going to be it for now, guys. I'm going to focus on getting home. I'm stuck in traffic, not going anywhere, but very happy. And we'll pick this up another day. Take care. And one more thing. If any of you know how to turn off this brake indicator light, please let me know. You can either hit me up in the comment section below, or you can email me. All right? Thanks, you guys.